how to enable suggest your account to your contacts on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable suggest your account to your contacts on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile here, and after you click on it, just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one here, privacy. Click on it and then click suggest your account to others, and all you need to do, if you want to enable it, just click on it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.